Hi there, welcome to Inbound Tutorials. I am Mallory and I'm excited to help you discover the power of editorial content creation through different stages of the buyer's journey and inbound strategy. To understand the stages of the buyer's journey and inbound methodology, please refer to our previous videos. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Editorial content is a powerful tool for attracting and engaging potential customers. It refers to written, audio, or visual material that is created to inform, entertain, or educate a target audience. Editorial content can take many forms, including blog posts, articles, podcasts, videos, infographics, and more. When it comes to inbound marketing, editorial content plays a crucial role in attracting visitors to your website, building trust and credibility, and ultimately converting them into leads and customers. In this video, we'll explore how to use editorial content in the inbound methodology to achieve your marketing goals. Attract. The first stage of the inbound methodology is to attract visitors to your website. To do this, you need to create editorial content that is relevant, informative, and engaging. Here are some tips for creating editorial content that attracts visitors. Conduct keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify the keywords and topics your target audience is searching for. This will help you create content that is relevant and optimized for search engines. Create a content calendar. Plan your editorial content in advance and create a schedule for publishing it. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you have a consistent flow of content. Use eye-catching headlines. Your headlines should be attention-grabbing and clearly convey the value of your content. Use numbers, questions, and powerful adjectives to make your headlines stand out. Engage. Once you've attracted visitors to your website, the next stage is to engage them with your editorial content. Here are some tips for creating engaging editorial content. Tell a story. People love stories, so use storytelling techniques to make your content more engaging. Use anecdotes, case studies, and real-life examples to bring your content to life. Use visuals. Visual content is more engaging than text, so use images, videos, and infographics to make your content more appealing. Encourage interaction. Ask your readers to leave comments, share their opinions, and engage with your content. This will help build a sense of community and encourage repeat visits. Convert. The final stage of the inbound methodology is to convert visitors into leads and customers. Here are some tips for creating editorial content that converts. Include calls to action. Every piece of editorial content should include a clear call to action. This could be a button encouraging readers to download a white paper, sign up for a newsletter, or contact your sales team. Use lead magnets. Offer valuable resources like ebooks, guides, and webinars in exchange for contact information. This will help you build your email list and generate leads. Personalize your content. Use data and analytics to personalize your editorial content for different segments of your audience. This will help you deliver content that is more relevant and valuable to your readers. In conclusion, editorial content is an essential part of the inbound methodology. By creating high-quality, engaging content, you can attract visitors to your website, build trust and credibility, and ultimately convert them into leads and customers. Remember to focus on creating content that is relevant, informative, and valuable to your target audience, and use data and analytics to continually improve your content strategy. I hope this inspires you to utilize research reports to develop engaging content to provide insights and strategies for effectively attracting, converting, closing, and delighting customers. I am Mallory with Optimarked Consulting, your premier inbound marketing strategy authority. Like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching until next time.